Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can use a dashboard for your profit taking and repositioning using a couple of tools on the Mango view along with your trend trading dashboard where you have your trend as well as your volatility profile all depicted, right? So you're going to start off with your chart. We're going to assume that you're already in this trade over here. We talked about AVAX putting in this bull flag, right? We had a measured move on the pole and we had a profit target somewhere around this zone at around $40. But now you're thinking to yourself, okay, we get up to this $40 level, but this is more of an, I don't want to say arbitrary, but it's not like a precise target zone, right? It's a bit more subjective and not objective because we've taken a measured move based on what we think the pole of the bull flag is. So you want more confidence in your profit taking, and that's profit taking can be an extremely difficult and emotional the decision because you're always wondering whether this can keep going. Right? So you want that confidence to know that you followed something more objective, right? This is where the dashboard can be extremely helpful. So you're going to first start with the trend trading part of the dashboard where we have AVAX already filtered out. We have it dropped down as well for the cards where you can see the 4 hour, the 12 hour, the daily, the 2 day, the 4 day, the weekly. You can see that it's long across all trends, which is great. But when you look towards your right hand side, the volatility column tells you we are red across all time frames as well. 80, 94, 99 on the daily, 97 on the 2 day. Red means red flags. Right off the bat over here, you guys should be thinking, damn, I'm already seeing signs of exhaustion, signs of extremes on this movement. Maybe I want to take some profits at the very least and then look to reposition. And if it keeps going after that, fine. At least I have a partial position or most of my positions still in the trade. If it does, if it keeps going, I can take those profits and reallocate to another trade. Maybe like, you know, how we got into Cardano while everything else was moving and it was 22 cents, 23 cents at that period. We were taking our cash profits, our link profits and rolling it into trades that weren't moving yet. And now Cardano is running too, right? So this would be that kind of trade, guys. We're seeing, oh, AVAX has run a lot. It's looking really red over here. Maybe I want to take those profits and put into a coin that hasn't moved yet, okay? But you still want more confidence, right? Well, you can use your Mango view, okay, over there, okay? We have it already opened up, filtered out onto AVAX. And remember, this trade was on the weekly time frame. So we're going to start with the weekly over here. What we're going to do right off the bat is turn on our bearish FVGs, okay? Zoom out, turn on your bearish FVG, and boom, right off the bat, you're seeing that we're coming up to test against a FVG level. Now it's adding more confidence to your ability to take profits, right? Because taking profits is harder than people think. Everyone wants to be in a winning trade, but when they are in a winning trade, they don't know what to do with it, right? Well, now you have red volatility and up against an FVG level. Now you're thinking, okay, I need a plan though. If I take profits here, where do I look to buy? Use your tools. What I usually like to do is turn on my bearish FVG as well as my bullish FVG and look to see whether that could be a buy opportunity. Me personally over here now, I don't know whether AVAX would come all the way down to $15. We're sitting at $36, right? I don't know if we come down there. I don't want to wait for that. Turn on your 21 EMA and 55 EMA levels as well, right over there. Now I have something that I really like over here because you see this 21 EMA, the yellow trend line, guys, is your 21 EMA. That is essentially crossing over your green 55, and that on its own is a trade opportunity. Okay, when the 21 EMA crosses over the green 55, it's a long signal, but you want to buy closer to those trend levels. Price is sitting really far away from those trend levels. That is another signal that you may want to take profits, by the way. You're sitting really far away from a new trend signal, which usually indicates a pullback into that trend level, and you're sitting up against your FVG, and you're sitting up against red volatility across all time frames on the dashboard profile as well, right? So how would I structure this? I'd say, you know what? I'm taking partial profits here, 20% at the minimum, if not more. Depends on you guys. And then I look to reposition all the way down at this zone over here between the 21 EMA all the way down to the green the green FVG coming at $15.56. Okay. Now keep in mind, by the time this plays out, the 21 EMA is likely going to move higher. So you got to dynamically adjust your buy zone between that 21 EMA and the FVG. The FVG is likely not going to move. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick example of how to use the dashboard for your profit taking and repositioning.